Welcome, math students. This is Mrs. Heskett. This is the math measurement wrap-up to end our unit on measurement. You've already done your metric math menu and your customary math menu. So now to end the unit, we'll work on this wrap-up. So you're going to explore, review, and apply. This is called a HyperDoc. You will have this document in your Google Classroom folder in Google Drive. You'll each work at your own pace, but there is a group project at the end. So what you're going to start with is explore. So you're going to click on the video, and you just click right here and then hit YouTube. Okay, so there will be a video for you to watch. Probably an ad first. Oh, no, this is actually the video. Watch the video, and then come back and type in your name and what did you learn. Okay, after you've done that, you're going to go down and you're going to watch another video. So again, click on where it says click here to watch a video. Click on the YouTube, and there's a little video for you to watch. And we're just going to go ahead and approve that so you guys can see that. So that's about measurement as well. When you're done with this first video, click over here and you're going to play the quizzes game. This link should take you to quizzes. To join the game, you're going to have to go back, so just tab back. Keep your tabs open. It's okay. And you can copy and paste this code into quizzes to start playing the game. Try your best. And then I want you to watch another video. Watch this one. And then again, click here, and you're going to go to a different quizzes game and play that quizzes game. So those are the two things on how you're going to review. You'll need those codes for both of those. On apply, you're going to click and read this article about accuracy and precision when measuring. Then your task is you'll need to work with 2 other people and make a short YouTube video or skit about what could go wrong if you're not accurate or precise when measuring items. Think baking, construction, sewing, etc. There's so many examples. And then use a Chromebook to video your group. And if you get that all done, I want you to put the link and attach it into this HyperDoc when you turn it in. And then you're going to, the final thing is, if you get all that done, you still have some time, because I know some of you are at different places, there's a Kahoot for you to play on measurement and how to review measurement. Okay, so first things first, you start with the Explore video. What did you learn? And then you're going to go down to the review, watch a video, play the quiz game, watch another video, play another quizzes game. And then the final thing is to read this article and then apply it with your task. Okay, well, have fun, and I can't wait to see your YouTube videos. You guys are great at this. Okay, have a great day.